Sub-millimeter accuracy. 12th generation Airway. A robot tip steered by a magnet through the narrowest passages of a lung. Not in science fiction, but in laboratory demonstrations that researchers say have crossed a critical maturity threshold. This is what the convergence of 5 technologies looks like in 2025. The research framing this moment, Kim and Zhao's 2022 Chemical Reviews paper on magnetic soft materials, has accumulated 795 citations and now functions as the de facto design handbook for every serious lab in this space. The argument being made by researchers is that 2025 marks a shift. Translational engineering, not basic physics, is now the rate-limiting step. That claim comes with a caveat. The technology currently sits at readiness levels 4 to 5, meaning component validation in lab and relevant environments, not clinical deployment. The mechanism is stranger than it sounds. Ferrofluid fills the robot's distal tip. Magnetite nanoparticles suspended in a carrier fluid. Apply an external magnetic field and the tip torques on demand, bypassing the geometric limits that stop conventional tendon cables at high curvature. This ferrofluid integration layer is the newest piece of the architecture, dating to roughly 2022 through 2025, and biocompatibility under fatigue cycling remains an open engineering problem. Threaded along the robot's spine, fiber Bragg gratings, microscopic optical rulers in glass fiber. Multi-core arrays reconstruct the device's 3D shape in real time at over 100 Hz, providing the only viable proprioception for a soft device navigating beyond fluoroscopic visibility. This sensing approach was commercialized by Luna Innovations and Hansen Medical before Auris, and then Johnson & Johnson entered the picture. Johnson & Johnson paid more than $5.7 billion for Auris Health in 2019. The Monarch platform was already threading flexible robots toward peripheral airways. Analysts tracking the space estimate ongoing R&D at over $200 million. The magnetic ablation extension of that platform is assessed at technology readiness levels 4 to 5. Promising, but not yet at the finish line. Here is the clinical reality driving that capital. Lung cancer kills 1.8 million people annually, more than breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers combined.